All right, so what we have here is the latest control pack from Ford Racing or Ford Performance Parts. It's a M-6017-73BA21. This is a Godzilla control pack for a 10-speed automatic, the 10R80, but with the 21 and up valve body strategy, because before they just had the regular BA 10R80 or A 10R80, I should say, and that was just for the 18 to 20 model 10 speeds, which, as we know, are getting older and do have some internal failures. The 21 and up models are much better. I will say 23 and up are truly the best ones. But anyways, this is what they give you. I will sell these happily. I will not ship it in this box. This is insane. You'll lose money on every single one of these because there's no MAP policy on these Ford parts, and so you always lose. But anyways, what they give you is 8 new coil packs. These are the dummy coils, they call them, which is the older 2-plug coils, because the 23 and up Godzillas come with a smart coil, which is like a 3-plug or a 3-pin coil pack. Here's your gas pedal, same pedal as before. O2 sensors, mass airflow sensor, computer. Here's your body harness, check engine light notification. The fuse box is in there. This is the same harness that would be in the 18 to 20 model 10R80 Godzilla control pack. You get your Bullet or GT350 cold air, which is massive and doesn't work in anything, but they give it to you anyways. Sometimes I just keep them. I have a pile of them. This is your 18 to 23 Mustang 5.0 transmission harness that they give you. So that's the same. So the harness and everything is the same. The computer programming is going to be different for the 21 and up valve body strategy. Here's your PCV hose. Here is an engine harness. So this is the old 2-wire engine harness from the F250s. So basically what they're having you do is retrofit a newer model engine to the older style engine for everything to work. So they give you the old engine harness, the old style coil packs. Again, the harnesses all stay the same. Sensors are the same. Pedals the same. Computer's the same. The only thing I do notice that I believe is missing, unless they stuffed it in this box, is going to be the throttle body adapter, and a couple of the other little tweaks there. So let me take a look. Let me get a blade. I'll cut this box open. We'll see what's inside both of these. But it looks like I am missing a box. Alright, so let's cut this box open and see if there's any spare parts in here. Nope, just the gas pedal. Just your standard truck pedal they throw in here for the kit. Just the engine harness. Yeah, of course. Okay, they give you the old style oil pressure sender, which you have to change. The white is the new style, which usually doesn't pick up or read on the Dakota Digital stuff, so you have to convert back to the old black sensor. That's the only way the computer picks up signal, is with that older sensor. Your harnesses. I already cut that one open. I'm losing my mind. So that's it. Again, you're supposed to get a throttle body and a throttle body adapter, so I'll have to contact Ford Racing and tell them it's missing from this kit. But it's just very simple. I'll cut open a coil pack so you guys can see what that looks like. But again, nothing fancy. So again, the dummy coils came on the 20 to 22 model F-Series trucks, and it also came on the vans, because the Econoline vans, because those were 2-wire, even with the 6R140, even if they were a newer model, they always still had the dummy coils. So as you can see, it's just a 2-plug. But that's all. So, and that's the kit. Again, this is for Godzilla with a 21 and up transmission, 10R80. You cannot use a 21 and up F-150 transmission, but you can with some modifications and changes that we do here in-house before we ship them out. I also have 10R100s, which are a little bit of a heavier duty unit than the 10R80, and those are close to plug and play. Again, we do some tweaks to those to make everything work as well. But swapzilla.net, swapzillasales@gmail.com. Happy to answer, tech, sell, help with any builds, advice, support. And we're Ford Racing authorized dealers here. So here's your brand new Godzilla control pack. Getting ready to go out the door for a customer once I get the whole throttle body situation figured out. I have 4 or 5 more of these coming. I have Coyote control packs in stock. I have the old style Godzilla control packs in stock. I have manual Godzilla control packs in stock. I have 20 plus Godzilla engines here. I have every gen Coyote crate engine here as well, brand new. I have brand new 10 speeds, 10R80s, and 10R100s, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. Just reach out to us for a quote. Thank you.